diet. Hi guys, like today I tried doing this chicken gizzard and it came out really well, but not my mom's taste, like kind of like okay-ish, but it is good. Actually it is good, right? It is good to eat after so long. I miss my mom really. I don't want to cry, but still I miss my mom. Thank you, Amma, for giving me the recipe. Lots of love to you. Love you. Tata. I will come India, Chennai. I'll eat more food. I'll get more too. Moti ya Motua? Motu. Moti. 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 Motu. Motu boy. Moti girl. Become Moti. She's Chotu Moti, na Bada Moti. But I'm a cutie, okay? Now wash kuda panna face. A face kuda wash panna, but natural beauty, you know? Padikana Veliana Stalta. Padikana Veliad Stalta. Alhamdulillah. Padikana
Valiedo Stalata. Alhamdulillah.
Padikana
Padikana
Valiedo Stalata. Alhamdulillah. Padikkunnundallo. Padikana Velianadu Stalta. Valiadu Stalta. Valiadu. Kerala people, Mallu is. Padikana Velianadu Stalta. Valiedu. Valya. Stalta. But in the song, there's like mentioning it's Stalta. Stalta. Padikkunnundallo.
Alhamdulillah.
Padikkunnundallo. Padikkunnundallo. मुझे प्यार होता है दीवाना सनम அப்புறம் பாட்டு தான் எனக்கு தான் தெரியாது ஷாருக் கான் மாதிரி ஷாருக் கான் முக்கியம் இல்ல ஷாருக் கானோட ஹார்ட் அந்த மனசு அதுதான் முக்கியம் the heart like pure heart illana what will you guys do you all need 6 feet guy it's very important you all guys like you all girls need a 6 feet boy inshallah and also
what about this 5 feet boys and 5.56
not my type and also the main thing is like beauty oh my god okay guys so I need 6 feet now I need an ara every girl because I'm already too short I don't want my boy to be short because my child will be
you're shorter than me
yeah I'm shorter than everyone please let's change the topic guys நல்லா இருக்குல்ல I miss my mom அம்மா ரொம்ப மிஸ் பண்ண ஆரம்பிச்சிட்டேன் குப்பை மேடு மாதிரி இருக்கும் பின்னாடி மண்டையை பாரு எவ்வளோ கேவலமாக வச்சிருக்கா இது என்னது நான் ஏன் நான் எதை குப்பை தட்டி வச்சிருக்கேன் நான் வரேன் நான் காஃபியில் போட்டு வைப்பேன் worst combo guys I'll put chai in chai I'll put murukku and I'll eat Sometimes, if my mind is like this, I'll do. If my mind is doing chambuk challo, I'll eat like that. What am I eating? Chambuk challo. Actually, the year is gonna end. So before that, try to make vision board. Vision board will help you out a lot. Vision board will help you a lot, cause vision board played a vital role in my life. Cause for the past 2 years, I was doing vision board, and it is happening. And please try to do it before the year starts. And also, yeah, it is great. You know, you can try it. You can try it. It's the best thing ever. This is also the best thing which I got from Kerala. Imported from Kerala. எதுக்குமா ஐயா உங்க அப்பா வச்சுக்க முடியாரா Guys, actually I was scared while watching the horror film, but this girl, there is no reaction at all. She is like, oh my, that's my relative. She is giving that kind of reaction. I don't know what kind of reaction is that. Satya, guys, please be careful with Bitty. Whenever you're seeing Bitty, have 6 feet distance, huh? Okay?
By the hell? Tonic reflexer, asymmetrical tonic. எப்படி எடுக்கணும்?
Usually I used to cut in hand, no, not hand, with knife, but sometimes we used to, you know, quick samayal, so use quick things. Thank you. She's preparing for Georgian 4 exam. See how she's preparing. She's watching reels, K-drama, and some Kasmusa scenes too. Just joking. Better than Georgian. Acha, okay guys. Chippi do. Ivida undi.
அப்படியெல்லாம் என்னோட சொல்லக்கூடாது எனக்கு இந்த இண்டி கிண்டி
பை பை
படிக்க கொஞ்சம் இல்லை
படிச்சு நாளைக்கு டாப்பரா யூனிவர்சிட்டி டாப்பரா வரணும்
3300 കഴിഞ്ഞോ
என்ன கருமான கலர் क्योंकि तुम ही हो अब तुम ही हो जिंदगी It's beautiful. birthday to you. Happy birthday.
ഹാപ്പി ബർത്ത്ഡേ. എങ്ങനെ മുറിക്കണം എന്ന് എനിക്കറിയത്തില്ല.
ലൈറ്റ് പോടും So hi guys, मैं घर साफ करने वाली हूँ. Oh my god, let me see again, wait. करने वाली हूँ क्योंकि आज मेरा घर मेहमान. अरे ट्रांसलेटेड இப்போ நான் அனுப்புறது காட்டுறா. ஐயோ கடவுளே, மென்டல் ரூம் வச்சு நான் பாடுறேன். எடே psycho mental. Give me. Today मैं घर साफ करने वाली हूँ क्योंकि because आज मेरा घर मेहमान is guest, right? मेहमान neighbor, see guest. मेहमान आज रहे हूँ. Okay, I'll tell it fast, okay? मैं घर साफ रही हूँ. मैं घर साफ करने वाली हूँ क्योंकि आज मेरा घर मेहमान आज रही हूँ. So next is basically I'm from Tamil Nadu. I can be Meenamma, but I can't be Shah Rukh Khan. Meenamma is easy. Tangabali kitte varade.
Sorry, मुझे आपकी बात से
Kitte varade. This is most worst thing in this whole world. I have to clean it. Fortunately, it's working, guys. This is like, this is something haunted. Sometimes it'll work, sometimes it'll not work. So I'm gonna clean. So guys, actually I just completed my Georgian exam, which is Georgian midterm. There is no pass mark for it, but still I just want to take more than 11. It's like, what people think about me if I'm getting less marks. And also yesterday I didn't sleep at all. I was teaching for so many people. I'm not intelligent, but the thing is I love to teach. I love to learn, I love to teach, but I don't love to study. I don't love to get a mark. I love to get a mark. It's like, like I love when I study properly. Studying for myself, I love. But studying for the marks, I don't like it. I think you got it. My neighbors are standing there, like, opposite. They're like looking at me like shit. They're like putting clothes and they're like, what she's doing? Okay. Judgy face, I don't care. And also the main thing is I want to wash the washroom. I didn't face my wash. I didn't face my wash with the confidence. I'm like with the confidence I'm saying I didn't face my wash my face. This happens, sometimes. And I didn't go for my anatomy seminar because I didn't sleep yesterday. Before periods, girls will have this thing. my god. Because in Georgia, I don't know, this is so shit in Georgia. They do some couple things and make us sad. Kanna, nee tatniya po. Nee tatniya. The thing is, it's a funniest. It might be a funniest thing, but it's not funny, because from UKG to 7th, like 6th standard, I was studying Hindi. I know Hindi. I wrote Hindi, and I completed Rashtra Bhasha, Parchaya, Prathmik, Madhyama, like the levels in Hindi. I did so many things in Hindi, but when someone asks me, do you know Hindi? When I say I don't know Hindi, it feels so shame. It feels so bad because I know Hindi. Because I know Hindi. I studied Hindi. UKG to 6th standard. Then, because of the compulsion, there's a compulsion thing in Tamil Nadu. You're supposed to take Tamil. I took Tamil. And 11th and 12th, I took French. Jemifal Jayashree. I don't know. I don't know whether the pronunciation is right or wrong. I still remember these lines. Je viens de terminer le 12e. Je suis en train de préparer le concours. It's like I'm preparing for the competition exam. It's like that, something like that. I don't remember. No, I don't remember any languages. Happy, happy, happy. Dun, 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 dun. Happy, 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 happy. Oh, என்னை நான் யாரென்று சொன்னாலும் புரியாத என் காதல் நீ என்று யாருக்கும் தெரியாத நீ கேட்டால் உலகத்தை நான் வாங்கி தருவேனே நீ இல்லா உலகத்தில் நான் வாழ மாட்டேனே என்னோடு நீ இருந்தால் குச்சி காம்பில் ரோஜா பூக்குமா பூனை தேனை கேட்டால் பூக்கள் ஏற்குமா முதலை என்ன பண்றேன் முதலை குலத்தில் மலராய் மலர்ந்தே குழந்தை அருகே குரங்காய் பயந்தே